Hey, I'm Alan Brito from Rhino Architect, and welcome to this tutorial about how to use the Between OSnap. This is something that a lot of people starting with Rhino do not have any idea how to access or how to change the OSnap from the default options here. Let me show you what is the benefit of using the Between OSnap. I have two line segments here, this one, and I want to begin a new line segment exactly at the midpoint between this point here and this point here. One of the solutions is to create a new line segment. I will right click here. As you can see, I have my end and mid enabled, both OSnaps. And if I click here and here, press enter, I can start a new line segment and Rhino will find the midpoint for me. This is one of the solutions. The problem is you will have to keep creating construction lines or temporary lines to find those points. Another way is using the Between OSnap. If I right click and place my mouse cursor above my OSnap options, if you press and hold the shift key, you will see a new option called Between. Enable that option. And if I click here now and click here now, Rhino will start the line on the midpoint between those two locations that where I clicked. This is an easy and effective way to keep finding those references with no need to create new drawings or geometry as a reference. And this is it. This is something basic, but it might help a lot during the development of any project. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the future of my future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.